So hi Sujasha, first of all, congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you.
Awesome, I am super happy for you.
So I was working at, I'm a digital marketer, and I was working, my last company was this company called Silvermine, which is based in Bangalore and the US. And I was working there as a senior online marketer. Unfortunately, due to some misunderstandings or disagreements with the management, I decided that that was not the greatest place for me to be. So I parted ways with them, and then I was kind of trying to figure out for some time what I want to do, what I want my next step to be. Unfortunately, in the same time, my dad passed away after a long illness, so it was very difficult for me to focus on job search. At the same time, I was in a bit of a tight spot because my mother is a pensioner, and the entire household pretty much depends on me. So I needed to get a job that I wanted. At the same time, I also needed to get it fairly quickly because my savings had already been depleted by my father's illness. And after that, just running the household on savings, it was a bit difficult. But then I met Lakshit on a WhatsApp group. Yeah, on a WhatsApp group for entrepreneurs. Somebody forwarded me Lakshit's contact, your contact. And then I was aggressively pursued by Aman. Yeah. So initially, I was a little bit skeptical, to be honest. I'm a little bit skeptical about anyone who claims कि मैं ये करवा सकता हूँ. I like to take my time and figure out if that person is actually able to do what they're saying, or is it just because you have a lot of people who just talk big, but they can't follow up. But my experience, Lakshit, is very, very different from the other career coaches out there. He'll make sure that you are motivated. He will not let you rest until you have reached your goal. He's very, very serious about his work, and that attitude kind of spills over into you as well when you work with him, because he knows how to be not rudely, but very gently persistent. He will keep pushing you very gently until you figure out that this is really my work and I need to do it, and I need to get up and take ownership of my career and my life. So that's a good thing. So yeah, so before I met Lakshit, I was looking for a job. Yes, I was getting some interviews, but they were not really what I wanted. But after working with Lakshit, I got an interview. So now I have an offer from a really, really good organization called Randstad Digital, which is like a globally known name. And it's going to be a really good move for my career. I feel a very good vibe with the people that I'm going to be working with at Randstad. But most importantly, during the interview, Lakshit was there with me every step of the way. And he made sure that I was well prepared. I was totally prepared for any kind of questions that, we both brainstormed and we came up with a lot of questions, and then we figured out the answers to those questions. So when I went for the interview, at each stage, there were 3 stages. At each stage, I felt like I was fully prepared. And to a large extent, due to the help and the support that Lakshit provided, I was able to be very confident and quite calm during my interviews because I was so well prepared. And yeah, so now I have the job, and I'm really looking forward to joining. I joined them on 29th. I'm really looking forward to a long-term career in this organization. Awesome. And not just this, I'm really looking forward to a long-term partnership with Lakshit as well, because I think he's really, really passionate about what he does, and that is very inspiring. And I want to pay it forward. Whatever he did for me, I want to pay it forward. Right. The hero introduction was something that I was doing for the first time. That phrase I had heard for the first time, but I completely understood what it meant, and it seemed very, very relevant. Everybody should have a hero introduction. Even if you don't get to use it in interviews, use it to feel good about yourself. Use it to remind yourself that you have done awesome things and you are capable of doing awesome things that nobody else can do. Maybe other people can do other things better, but so can you. You can do some very, very unique things very well. And it was Lakshit's insistence on the hero introduction that finally got me to do it. Be on camera and talk about myself in a structured way. I think that was great training. Everybody should do this. Also, the CVC method that Lakshit uses, it really helps to break down a big problem into small bits that are much easier to handle. So you have a plan. Basically. When you're working with Lakshit, he will always make sure that you have a plan and it is structured. Today we will handle this and this only. Tomorrow we will handle the next part. Then the day after we will handle the next part. So everything becomes very manageable, very enjoyable. You're not stressed out. You're not overworked,
Right.
and you can definitely give your best.
But thank you so much for taking out time and giving us this,
Of
sharing your
course,
experience.
you're most welcome.
Awesome. Thank you so much.